In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the streaming status in Discord. If you want your Discord profile to display that you're live streaming, there are a few settings you'll need to configure first. Once everything is set up correctly, your streaming status will automatically appear whenever you go live using a supported streaming platform. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. To begin, open Discord on your computer and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. From the menu on the left, scroll down and select Connections. This is where you can link external accounts to your Discord profile. At the top of the Connections page, click Add Accounts to your profile. If you don't immediately see the available services, click the arrow to expand the list. From there, select Twitch. Discord will open a browser window asking you to authorize the connection between your Twitch account and your Discord account. Review the information, then click Authorize to complete the connection. Once the authorization is finished, return to Discord. Your Twitch account should now appear in the connection section, confirming that the accounts have been linked successfully. The next setting to check is Streamer Mode. In User Settings, scroll through the menu and select Streamer Mode. This feature helps protect your personal information while you're live by hiding sensitive details such as invite links, notifications, and other information that you may not want viewers to see during a broadcast. If streamer mode isn't already enabled automatically, turn it on manually. You can also enable the option that automatically turns streamer mode on whenever broadcasting software, such as OBS Studio or XSplit, is running on your computer. Review the remaining streamer mode options and choose which information you'd like Discord to hide while you're streaming. Next, scroll down and open Activity Privacy. Make sure the option that allows Discord to display your current activity is enabled. If this setting is turned off, Discord may not display your streaming status correctly while you're live. Finally, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner of Discord and check your current status. Make sure it's set to online. If your status is set to invisible, other users won't see that you're streaming even if everything else has been configured correctly. Once you've completed these settings, start your live stream using your preferred broadcasting software. If everything has been configured correctly, Discord will automatically display your streaming status on your profile for others to see. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.